Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you once again with another instant noodle recipe time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. It's actually been, it won't appear to you this way, but gosh, I think I did one review last week. Last week was Thanksgiving, and this is going to be the first review this week. I did actually cook noodles this week, but none that you're gonna see except in an article that'll come out soon. Did an interview with the Everett Herald, which is a local paper just north of here, and it was pretty cool. They came over, took pictures. I had to have some noodles made for me, understand? So yeah, did something that I've done before. Anyways, water's boiling. This is a variety from Taiwan. This is Wumu chili beef ramen noodle soup. I've enjoyed their other varieties, so I have no doubt that I'll enjoy this. I guess it's possible I won't, but I think I'm gonna like it because they like to use broad, dry noodles in their stuff. So I'm gonna cook this for 3.5 minutes. I know, kind of a weird amount of time, but there's the noodle block. Now you'll notice these look a lot like Taiwanese dry noodles. And on. And here, I'll take these sachets out, pour the rest in here. Turn it down slightly. And then here are the two sachets. You have a dry, you have a paste. Kind of sounds like that kind of thing, but anyways. But yeah, it's been a crazy last couple weeks. Miles just started doing his all-day preschool, which is really cool. He seems to really like it so far, and that's fun. And so last weekend we went to a super Walmart, which is like, usually there's something bizarre that happens whenever we go to a super Walmart because I don't know, people are kind of wacky. Unless we go to the one in Canada, which is always just like a completely different experience from any Walmart I've ever had here in the US. But anyways, but I got a jogging stroller, and Miles goes full day on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So with the jogging stroller, he gets on the bus before my wife even leaves to work, so it's really early. But I am now taking my daughter Miriam, and we're going for a stroll. So it's been good, part of the whole diet program that I've been doing. And if you're wondering, it's not ketogenic, it's not this, it's not that. It's literally that I have a set amount of calories that I need, and then it's like there's all these different things like how much sugar, how much fat, how many carbs, how much fiber you should be getting, all these vitamins, this and that. And there's an app called MyFitnessPal, and you just enter in the data. I mean, you can scan, like, I love these things. These are like crispy garlic. You just scan that barcode and then just tell it how much that you had of it, and that's it. You know, there's really not a lot of crazy thinking that goes along to it. And you don't have to do it, you don't have to scan the barcode every time. You just type in like GAR, you know, and it'll be like, oh, you must be meaning this. And you go, yeah, click. Simple. But, oh, and I've got a Fitbit that I got like for Christmas, what, about 6 or 7 years ago. My wife got me it for Christmas, and I honestly haven't used it ever since. And now I am again, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I've got like I think it's set at like 2,240 calories I'm supposed to get a day. Usually I'm doing between like 13 and 1700 calories a day, especially with the Fitbit thing, because it logs like exercise and stuff like that. So usually by the time I get back, usually at breakfast time, like first thing in the morning, I'll have like a protein drink and something with a lot of caffeine in it. Well, usually all but just a few of the calories from those are erased. So it's like, cool. Alright, so here is the broth. Hoping you can see that. That's good. It's it's got a little kick of spiciness to it. Not so much that it's like, oh my god. But the beefy flavor and the chili, gosh, I'd say that's the hardest part about this diet, is like leaving these things alone. But I'll be doing a review tomorrow that you'll see way before this review comes out. That'll get eaten all the way. I like that. Okay, I'm putting it back on the heat. You can be like, why, Ramen Raider, why are you doing that? Well, I will show you. Right here, I've got some thin sliced beef. If I can. So I've got like 3 thin little slices of this stuff. I'm putting that in, and that will only take like seconds to cook. It's like beef you would have for hot pot or Korean barbecue. That is something that I would definitely recommend. If you have something that's beef flavored, throw some actual beef in it. It'll make a big difference. And for now, I think that's all I'm going to add until it... Come on. Boil, sucker, boil. Yeah, it's been busy. I'm kind of rushing this because I've got to do kind of a Q&A session with a little bit more for the interview portion. I had a interview with the local paper, and a photographer came over. They came over and did an article about me in 2011, and it was the same guy. So it was really cool having them back over to check out what's happened since then. A lot obviously has happened since 2011 as far as the site's concerned. And this should be done. Alright, let's scoot you back. Right about, I think, how's that? That feel good? Let's see if you can see. Oh yeah. That's working quite well today. So here's soup and beef. Beautiful. And we've got some, I'm just going to slap this egg in here first. Should we slap it, Miles? Slap the egg? Like, I don't know what you're talking about, Pops. And I really want this to work out. Beauty. Okay. Oh, no, you don't go there. And... just the way I wanted it. And then we've got some scallion. Gonna go in there like this, And actually, I'm going to do a smattering of that crispy garlic. They should just make this stuff out of elephant garlic. I mean, here's, good God, look at that. That's just such a huge piece. But like a little sprinkled on top here. Oh, it's a smattering. Let's smatter with a smatter. Alright, well there you go, folks. That's what's happening today. And yeah, if you can find this stuff, it's really good. You can find a lot of Wumu products over at 99 Ranch Market. But they're from Taiwan. And they're really good. Well, cool. Yeah, tomorrow is a violently spicy noodle mukbang from what I hear. Tomorrow is the world's spiciest ramen noodles from Cully's of New Zealand. So I'm going to be giving that a go. One person was like, hope you got good life insurance. Another person was like, oh, you can handle this. So we'll see. I think it'll be an interesting one to do. So. But no miles for this one. This one, it's got stuff like keep away from children and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna, no chance. I don't want him rubbing his eyes and like losing his mind. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, please subscribe, please do all those nice things and be nice to each other. If you do so, you will get a prize and a honorary spot in the Ramen Raider Mausoleum. The Ramen Raider Mausoleum, growing bigger and bigger by every day. Nah, never mind. But yeah, you can have your name on it. Alright, have a good one. Bye.